Excuse me. Hello, everybody, and we are going to do another test run on this Saito 60cc 3-cylinder radial engine. I've got some different fuel in here. It's a special oil, break-in oil, mixed with gasoline and Coleman fuel. Anyway, we're going to start it up and run it, at least that amount of fuel there, and check cylinder temperatures and speed of the propeller, the engine. I have a tachometer here, so let's get going, I guess. I think I should try to get some fuel into the carb first. We'll try that, see how that goes. Okay, first I got to turn my receiver on. Well, first I have to turn my transmitter on and then the receiver. Because my servo that runs the throttle is handled by the transmitter. Okay, receiver coming on. And now the throttle works. So we'll move it forward a little bit. Right about there. See how it goes from there. Now we'll turn the ignition on and hit it with a starter. See what happens. Start it right up. That's a Saito for you. We have about 3,000 RPM. See if I can idle it down. Little engines run great. See what our cylinder temps are.